Hello and welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. So in today's video I'm going to show you this site which I found out recently, which I'm going to use to create a greeting. So let's go to the options and select greeting cards. And since today is Father's Day, let's search for Father's Day templates and see which one we can select out of those. So let me select this last one. I like the last one. It's simple and good, so just let's try it out. And I'm using this for the first time in front of you all, so let's see how it works. And I'm sure this will work just like Canva, so you can just edit whatever you want, however you want it. And here you go. I'm just editing the text for now, just to show you all. So the text is edited now, and as you all can see, the card is ready. Like, I won't change anything else. Let the template be as it is. So you can change those as well. You can use the themes option to select the colors and stuff, and there are a lot of options at the side. As you can see, there are like templates, there are emojis, there are you can add links and stuff. So yes, there are a lot of options you can use. So I'm just showing you all the options that are provided for us. So yes, and also at the right side there are a few more options which I'll show you in a while. Let's just explore the options to the left, and this is the frame which, there are letters and numbers, and you can add photos to that frame. It's a photo frame part. So yes, this is how it works. And now coming to the right side options, you can see there's few options at the right side as well. So I'll just hover over these options and show you all what option it is. And yes, this is how we can use visual paradigm. And yeah, let's save this card and see how it is, like how it comes out. We can save it in any format we want. So let me do JPEG and just try it out. I won't change anything here. We'll just directly export it, and once it's downloaded we can open and see. Here you go, and you can see the watermark here. So to remove the watermark, you'll have to upgrade it. So let me just sign in and show you all where you'll get the option. So once you sign in, you get this option of upgrading. There you can upgrade at the left side. So you have these options. You have different, like the least one is $4 per month, so you can select whichever you want, and based on that you'll get your benefits. Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below, and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.